Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video we will be learning how to view satellites on Google Maps. It is super easy and works both on your phone and computer, so let's dive in. First of all, open up the Google Maps application on your phone. Now tap on the layer icon, square-shaped stack which is located at the top right, and from the map type, select Satellite. After tapping on Satellite, your map will instantly switch to a real satellite view of world. You can zoom in and move around, just like a normal mode. It is perfect for exploring terrain, buildings, and nature views. So that is how you can easily switch to satellite view in Google Maps. If this helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more simple tutorials, and drop a comment if you want to learn how to use Street View or 3D mode next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.